Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will be letting you know how to create VLOOKUP against real data. So I will be copying the data from SQL Server, copy with the headers and pasting in Excel sheet, and you can see there are 31 columns here. So I will be looking for VLOOKUP, and it is input value where from the VLOOKUP will match the entire data. So it will be A1, A2, sorry, to match the input, and here I will be giving it the data from it can retrieve. So it will be sheet 1 and it's all columns. So here is the range. I have defined the range for it, and now the index column from against the matched value, it will be giving us the column value against the matched id, sorry. So I will be entering here 2. There are one count for columns, so I will be entering 2 so I can retrieve the username for it, a user id for it. And there is the input value, and against 1 you can see the value of user id 12345. And now we'll be retrieving the username admin, and so I will be copying the vlookup formula, and now I will be changing the index column to 3. So 3 referring to the seek column, and you can see it is giving us the admin value. So you can see 12345 and then admin name. So similarly, if I enter 2, you can see this desired results for that. So now I will be giving the example with the 5 columns. So I will be copying the VLOOKUP formula and pasting it in this C1 column, and will change the column for lookup. And similarly, I will be pasting it and change the VLOOKUP form column index to 4. So now you can say the entries, and if I copy the data and paste it just below the input, you can see it is matching. So that's how you can implement the VLOOKUP formula. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for my channel and let me know in which topic you want to see next videos. Thank you very much.